Okay, so next we're going to terminate a coax TV cable wire. Most people use a $50 tool. I use a $5 razor knife. Never failed me. I never sliced my finger, ever. So we cut down all the way to expose the bare copper. And then you come down about a ½ an inch lower than that. And you just lightly penetrate the jacket. And you might not be able to hear it, but I'm cutting these little metal frays. They call this braiding. And that braiding will come off, and that's a perfect clean cut. It still has one layer of foil on it.
Awesome.
And then we put our F connector on there. F connector on there. That's the problem with being the business owner, man. The phone always rings.
It's a good thing.
That is a good thing. Okay, so F connector, real simple. Slide it on there. And the trick to these is just making sure that that white part that's not flush ends up sitting flush. Like so. Is it focused?
Yeah, it goes. Looks good.
Okay.
Yep.
And then you come to the inner, this is called a hex crimper. You just barely come back off the very top of the connector, squeeze all the way down, then you go to the outside and you just do a small pinch and you're done.
Awesome.